How to password protect Microsoft Excel workbooks and worksheets using BizNet Broadcast. This video presents two examples of how BizNet Broadcast improves workbook and worksheet password management. The first example illustrates workbook password protection. In the second, we'll see how passwords can be assigned to individual worksheets. To use the BizNet Broadcast features, select New Distribution Template from the BizNet Broadcast ribbon in Excel, or open an existing broadcast list sheet. The Workbook Password option is selected from Additional Parameters. Click in the field on the broadcast list and select Password from the drop-down. Workbooks are protected by first using the standard Excel settings under the Review tab. Don't enter a password here. Instead, return to the broadcast list and choose how you want to distribute the workbook. In the first example, an email will be sent to the COO. We'll provide an email subject and a file name, but nothing is required in the selection column because every sheet in the workbook will be sent. The password is set in the optional parameter field. Remember, the broadcast list is never included in the output, so make sure to keep the original file in a secure place where you'll be able to recover the password if necessary. Outlook isn't connected on this system, so the email is waiting in the outbox. The simple password of COO is required to open the workbook. Many workbooks include sheets with reference lists that users need, but don't necessarily need to see, and certainly don't need to change. Use the Protect Sheet option under the Review tab to prevent users from making any changes that would corrupt lookups in the other sheets. Again, leave the password field blank in the Excel dialog box and use BizNet Broadcast instead. This time, an email will be addressed to the CEO. The sheet-level password option is set in the selection column by using square bracket, capital P, capital W, colon, the password you want to use, and closed with an end square bracket. In this example, the income statement, expenses, and dashboard worksheets are entered separated by semicolons with square bracket, capital P, capital W, colon, SHHH, end square bracket, inserted before the list worksheet. The workbook is also protected with a password of CEO. That password is required before the workbook can be opened. The CEO can see the list worksheet, but can't make any changes without choosing Unprotect Sheet from the Review tab and entering the password of SHHH. The guide to using BizNet Broadcast provides detailed instructions on how to protect Excel workbooks and worksheets, and you can also check the Video Center for more how-tos. BizNet Broadcast from BizNet Software.